Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm happy to see you again. What I want to share with you is that the essence of visiting your Ifa priest from time to time. You know, your Ifa priest is your spiritual guidance. With Ifa, problems are solved. In Yoruba religion, Odu Ifa is our holy book to guide us. Just like the foreign religions have their books that guide their day-to-day activities and the rest. The same way, in Yoruba religion, we have what is called Odu Ifa. So majorly, there are 16 major Odu Ifa. So there's a video that you can watch at the end screen of this video to know more about that. Or you check the fly out up there to know more about that as well. So why do you need to visit your Ifa priest often? You need to visit your Ifa priest often to update yourself, to update your spirituality. Like I always say that this world is all about spirituality and the physical world, right? So in the physical world, you can use your own way, your thinking, your strategies, and so on and so forth to find your way in the physical world. Let's say, for instance, you need a job in the physical world. You have to apply, right? You apply for the job, then you have to write a test or whatever, or you can be called for an interview to get the job. So in the physical world, you apply, you prepare yourself for the job, you dress well for the job, and attend the interview. But spiritually, what if something is blocking you from getting the job? When something is blocking you from getting the job, it means it's spiritual, right? This is where spirituality comes in. And I say the essence of visiting your Ifa priest often is that as long as you live, there are issues that will always bother you. There are things that will always bother you that you cannot explain by yourself. That means you need your spiritual guidance to help you. And this is where Ifa priest in Yoruba religion comes in. This is where your Ifa priest in Yoruba religion comes in. Even in Yoruba language, the Babalawos do say in Yoruba language that bí òní ṣe rí, ọ̀la ò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Babaláwo ṣe ń dáfá ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀run. That means that today will be different from tomorrow. For this reason, Ifa priest cast Ifa often. The Oronu here is like every 5 days, every 5 days. But in the real sense, Babalawos cast Ifa every day to know how is it gonna be today. Just like the way we have weather forecast, right? So you know, okay, the weather will be like this today, the weather will be like that today. So fine, you are not an Ifa priest or Iyanifa. So you need to have your Ifa priest to always guide you, if not every day, but often, to tell you, to guide you in your steps, the steps you're about to take or what you're about to do. Is always good to consult your Ifa priest. You know, this will guide you. Like in the olden days in Yoruba land, there is this norm that used to be very common, but now civilization is taking everything away. But we thank God that we are bringing it back. In the olden days, there is what we call akosejaye. That is, if a baby is just born, you have to take your child, let's say after 2 days or 3 days or whatever, to the Ifa priest to check the nature of the baby, to check, to know about the baby, to know that, oh, this baby, what would be the do's and don'ts of this child. So you have to check, you have to know, oh, how is this baby going to live? How is he going to survive in this world? Right? So that is why from the moment a baby is born, that is what we call akosejaye. Then from that moment on, whenever you see something strange, you take your child back to the babalawo to check, to cast Ifa, to know what is going on. So when you are now mature, you are on your own, it's as well good to visit your babalawo often, to advise you, to talk to you. Meanwhile, you have to be careful. You have to be very careful in this world that we have now. You have to be very careful. You have to beware of scammers. You have to be very careful, right? So don't forget to always remember that Isheshe Yoruba is real, is original, and I want you all to embrace it. You Africans or any African descendants that you might be watching, that you are watching this video right now, I want you to come back to our Isheshe. Let us bring it back, right? It's real, it works, it solves problems, right? Thanks for watching. Bye for now.